Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cloud Solution with Kazmi. In this episode we are going to learn about Amazon Cognito. Cognito provides an identity store that scales to millions of users. So basically using Amazon Cognito user can create user pools which allows us to create registration and sign in to our apps. With Amazon Cognito Identity Pools, you can provide AWS credentials for access to your cloud resource. Cognito is a managed service that lets you add secure authentication and authorization for your APIs. So let's explore Amazon Cognito console. We can create a user pool using the console, but in this video we are going to create this using serverless. So first we have to create a user pool, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use a user pool with phone number, and then we create another pool with email authorized. You can also define a schema which will create a custom attributes. After you are done with that, we will create user pool client. In user pool client we will define the validity of our three tokens, and now let's deploy this. Let's jump into current working directory and deploy again. As you see, I have declared SMS configuration as optional. In this case we have to provide an object for that, as we are using phone number. Also you have to write a role, SNS role, for providing a statement for this STS assume role. We have successfully deployed with Cognito pool and client. As you can see, we have phone number in sign-in experience, and custom attributes in sign up. And before starting to write code in Lambda, I am going to create another pool for our admin site. It is going to be same as user pool but with email attribute and auto verification. Let's create a pool client for admin with ID token validity. Let's see, now we have created our both pools. As you can see, in sign-in experience we have email, and in app integration we have our client. custom attribute with its values. And lastly, we are going to explore initiate